So hello guys, Punit is back with you some cool tips and tricks. So today we're going to talk about how to get a cinematic view or cinematic look like a video, or if I could say how to get a 21:9 aspect ratio video by using KineMaster. So today I'm going to tell you all the tips and tricks how you can get this cinematic view or how you can get the 21 is to 9 aspect ratio video by using this using this KineMaster video editing tool, which is one of the famous application for the Android mobile phones. So let's get we started. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for the latest video update. So first we need to open a KineMaster application to our mobile phone. So now we need to select the videos which we need to process into our KineMaster application. So after selecting the videos, we have to compose all the videos according to your lineup, or we have to select all the sections which we need to put on the first, or which we need to put on the second or third according to your convenient, according to your video, whatever you want scenes between your transactions. After incline all the videos, now we need to talk about the transactions or the white box between this video. So basically it's a transaction box which kind of a transaction you want once the videos connect each other. So we have an option here like 3D classic. So I generally use the classic option, crossfade. It's actually look much cinematic once the videos connected each other. So I generally use always this crossfade classic option, which is makes my video much cinematic. If you want to choose a different transaction which is available into the KineMaster, you can select according to your video preference. Now we need to go to the layer option, then go to the image option, then we need to go to the background option and select the black so background. After the selecting background, we need to do a full screen to this black background, and then we need to swipe out to the upper side, and then again we need to select image background, then we need to complete the screen, and then we need to again. After truly completing this, so as you can see it's look like so we need to shut down the voice again, need to shut down the voice, so you can see how it's look like. So now we need to slide this image to the full video. So as you can see, once you did all the things, your videos look like a cinematic. As you can see, my videos look like a much cinematic because now my video look having a 21 is to 9 aspect ratio. That's why you can see the scenarios up and down side is cutted, or it's look like a purely cinematic videos. So that's it about how you can create the cinematic videos using this KineMaster application, or even you will get the cracked version online. So once you save it, you do not need to put the video watermark. You need a crack version because this application is paid up approx 1000 rupees to the Play Store. So you can download the crack version for different websites or different sources. So thank you for watching this video. If you have something in your mind, please comment in the below section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned.